This is the home screen of the application, and you have quite a lot of anime characters which you can draw, animals and so forth. So you have to pretty much look for what you want to draw, guys. So as well, before I get into that, you can always tap on the store icon to add it as your favorite. So you can always go back to your favorite section and look at it. So let's say you want to draw a bird. So you have a lot of bird options here. You can tap on the see all option to see more of the birds. As you can see here, not a lot, but you can see here. And also you can see all of the birds here. So let's say you're going to draw one of these birds. You just tap on the one that you want to draw. You have two options in it as it relates to you drawing the bird. So you have this option here where you place the phone on a glass or a cup, and you will just put the paper under the phone where it shows the drawing, and be able to draw it by looking through the phone. Another option is drawing the image on a blank piece of paper. You put that blank piece of paper over the phone, and it will give you the drawing will be showing through that blank piece of paper, and you'll be able to follow the lines and so forth and draw it. So you get the understanding. If you still don't get the understanding, comment below and I'll see if I can still help you out. So that's really pretty much it. So you'll have to just select whichever one you want. So let's say you want the draw on paper option. You just tap on start, and it will give you an explanation or how it pretty much works as it relates to you drawing on paper on any one of the settings. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see here, you can also go ahead and adjust the image as you can see here, and it works for pretty much any application that is similar. There's a lot of applications like this which I've reviewed on the channel, but same procedure. So here you can adjust the brightness of the image, how faded you want the image, and as you can see here, you can adjust this as well, the sketch. So it all depends upon what you want to do, guys. So that's pretty much it. And once you're done drawing, you can always tap on done, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much how you use this application here. So do keep in mind while navigating through the application, you're going to see a lot of these ads pop up. All you have to do is just wait until it's finished, tap on this at the top, and then select the X. And as you can see here, it will ask you to take a photo of the finished drawing. So that's really pretty much it. And once you finish, you just tap on the arrow icon here and try to go back. And as I said before, you're going to see a lot of ads. So as well, here in this example, it's showing you how it's going to look if you're going to do the drawing on a piece of paper or the blank piece of paper on the screen. So that's really pretty much it for that there. So as well, you can go in the trending section here to see other things which you can draw as well. These are popular anime characters which you can draw. You have the Black Clover, you have Bleach, Death Note, a lot of them which you can draw. So you can see here a lot of these anime characters which you guys love, you can draw as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as well, the collection drawing is pretty much anything that you have drawn, you have taken a picture of it, it will show up in this section here. So that's really pretty much it for this application.